Hello students, we are continuing our cash book. So now let us solve one more question, that is your double column cash book. As you can see the question from the board, double column means your cash book with cash and bank column. Okay, so prepare cash book with cash and bank column. So first bit, your December 1st cash in hand how much? 1354, and balancing current account is how much? 7560. Okay, so we are required to prepare the double column cash book. As you can see the format. Okay, first one is your date, then particular, left column cash, bank, and this side is known as your what? This side is known as your debit side. Okay, and this one date, particular, LF, cash, and bank. Again, this side is known as your credit side. Okay, so now let us start December 1st. So that is the opening balance. So date is your December 1st. Opening balance cash in hand, how much it has been given? 1354. So what we have to write here? To balance brought down. Okay, cash balance is how much? Cash balance is 1354, and bank balance is how much? Bank balance is your 7560, as it has been given balance in current account. Okay, that means in your bank account 7560. Next bit, December 3rd, cash sales is given how much? 2300. So cash sales, that means we are selling the goods for cash. Okay, cash आ रहा है, so that will be shown on your debit side. December 3, what we have to write? To sales account. कितना पैसा आ रहा है हम लोग के पास में? कैश. Cash is your 2300. Okay, so that is your cash sales. Next bit here, December 5th, purchase goods and paid by check 6000. Since we are purchasing the goods and the payment is made by check, what will be the journal entry? Purchases account debited to bank. ठीक है, पैसा जा रहा है, that will be recorded on the your credit side. That is your December 5. So December 5th, and we are purchasing the goods. What we have to write? By purchases. Okay, again the payment has been made through check. That means amount would be written in the bank column. How much will be the amount? Amount is your 6000. Amount is your 6000. Okay, next is your cash sales. How much? 10,000. Cash sales, that means we are selling the goods for cash. So cash account debited to sales account. सामान बेच रहे, पैसा आ रहा है, that will be recorded on the receipt side. December 8. So December 8, that is your to sales account, and how much will be the amount? Amount is your 10,000. Next is your 12, paid trade expenses 700. So we are making the payment. Payment जा रहा है, पैसा जा रहा है, तो हम कहाँ लिखेंगे? Payment side में. That is your credit side. Okay, December 12. So December 12. So since the payment has been made, so what we have to write? By trade expenses. कितना payment कर रहे हैं हम लोग? 700. So here we have to write in the cash column. Because nothing has been mentioned, so we will assume the transaction as cash transaction. Next, sales goods received check and deposited in the same day. How much? 20,000. As we are selling the goods and the check has been deposited on the same day, so there would be no contra entry. उसके लिए कोई contra entry नहीं होगा. If the amount would be deposited in the next day, that means there would be contra entry. So directly पैसा आया और हम पैसा उसी दिन बैंक में जमा करवा दिए. ठीक है, तो December 15, what we have to write? That is your to sales account. To sales account, and amount would be written in the bank column. How much is the amount? Amount is your 20,000. Okay, next, December 18, purchased motorcycle and paid by check. How much? 15,000. हम लोग मोटरसाइकिल परचेज कर रहे हैं और उसका पेमेंट किसके थ्रू कर रहे हैं? चेक के थ्रू. चेक मतलब बैंक, पैसा जा रहा है, that will be written on the payment side. December 18, क्या लिखेंगे हम लोग? एसेट का नाम दिया हुआ है बाय motorcycle, buy motorcycle, and the amount would be written in the bank column. Bank column में लिखना पड़ेगा amount. How much is the amount? Amount is your 15,000. Next, check received from Manisha deposited in the same day. How much? Rupees 10,000. हमको चेक मिल रहा है मनीषा से और वो पैसा हम कहाँ जमा करवा दे रहे हैं? बैंक में in the same day. That will recorded on the receipt side. That is your December 20. So December 20 क्या लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पे? To Manisha, and amount would be written in the bank column. Bank column means how much is the amount? Amount is your 10,000 since the check has been deposited into bank on the same day. Okay. Next for December 22, cash sales how much? 7,000. हम लोग गुड्स बेच रहे हैं, पैसा आ रहा है. That will be recorded on the receipt side. क्या लिखेंगे? To sales लिख के cash column में how much? 7,000. So December 22 to sales account, and amount would be how much? Amount would be 7,000. Next 25, Manisha's check returned dishonored. Now we have got the check from Manisha. 20 तारीख को हमको चेक मिला था मनीषा से. अब वो चेक क्या हो गया? डिसऑनर हो गया है. डिसऑनर मीन्स योर बैंकर अनेबल टू मेक द पेमेंट ऑफ द चेक. जब चेक का पेमेंट नहीं होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? डिसऑनर ऑफ द चेक. Okay, so here we have to pass the cancellation entry. So since we have received the check, what we have written to Manisha, we have written in the bank column. Now the check has been dishonored, so we have to pass the cancellation entry. So here we have to write for cancellation of check December 25th. This entry has been made on the debit side, so now we have to make the entry on the credit side. That is your by Manisha. Since for the check dishonored, and how much was the amount of the check? That is the 10,000. So we have to write 10,000 in the bank column. Why? Because since we have deposited the check into the bank on the same day. Okay. Next bit 28. Paid rent. कितना rent pay कर रहे हैं? 2,000. पैसा जा रहा है. That will be recorded on the credit side. So December 28. What we have to write? By rent account, and how much is the amount? Amount is your 2,000. Amount is your 2,000. Next, paid telephone expenses by check. हम लोग टेलीफोन का खर्चा दे रहे हैं, एक्सपेंसेस किसके थ्रू? चेक के थ्रू. That will be recorded on the credit side. ठीक है. December 29. So December 29. So what we have to write? By telephone expenses. Okay, and the amount will be written in the bank column. How much is the amount? Amount is your 500. Last bit, your 31. December 31st, cash withdrawn for personal use. How much? 2,000. Personal use के लिए पैसा निकाल रहे हैं. The personal use will be considered as your what? As your drawings. ठीक है. So that will written on the credit side. Entry would be, entry क्या होगा? जनरल एंट्री का पास करेंगे. Drawings account debited to cash. So that is your December 31st by drawings. Okay, and how much will be the amount? Amount is the cash is your how much? Cash is your 2,000. Okay, so since we have done all the entry, now what we have to do? We have to balance the account. हमको account को balance करना है, उसके लिए हमको total करना पड़ेगा. So we have to get the total. Okay. 1,354 plus 2,300 plus 10,000 plus 7,000. Okay, and the total would be how much? Total would be your 20,654. Total कितना आएगा? 20,654. ठीक है. यहाँ पे बैंक का टोटल करेंगे 7,560 plus 20,000 plus 30,000. Okay, and the total would be how much? 37,560. Total कितना आएगा? 37,560. Since we have to balance the account, so the receipt side of cash का debit side minus cash का payment side or credit side, we will get the balancing figure. ठीक है. And balancing figure will be written on the last date of every month. So December 31st. So what we have to write? बाय बैलेंस CD। CD का मतलब क्या होता है? कैरिड डाउन। ठीक है, इसका टोटल करेंगे हम लोग 2000 प्लस 2000 4000, 4000 प्लस 700 कितना हो गया? 4700। सो टोटल वुड बी 20,564 minus 4700. So we are required to get the difference. The difference would be 15,954. ठीक है, और हम लोग अकाउंट को क्लोज करेंगे। कितना हो गया डिफरेंस? 15,954। ठीक है, अभी बैंक का टोटल कितना आया था? 37,560। इसका टोटल करेंगे 6,000 प्लस 15,000 कितना हो गया? 21,000 प्लस 10,000 31,000 प्लस 500 31,500। मतलब 37,560 माइनस हाउ मच? माइनस 31,500। ओके, एंड व्हाट विल बी द डिफरेंस? डिफरेंस वुड बी 6,060 rupees. This is the 37,560. Okay, so whatever the balancing figure would be, कैश का डिफरेंस हम लोग कैश का टोटल करेंगे माइनस कैश का क्रेडिट का टोटल। जो डिफरेंस फिगर आएगा उसको क्या लिखेंगे? बाय बैलेंस कैरिड आउट। एंड बैंक वुड बी मैच्ड विद द बैंक कॉलम एंड कैश विल बी मैच्ड विद द कैश कॉलम। Okay, so this is how we are required to prepare the double column cash book. Okay, so we have to see whatever the transaction would be there. If the check transaction is there and if the check has been deposited into the same day, the entry would be done on the bank column. And if suppose if the check would be deposited on the next day, that means there would be contra entry. Okay, so this is how we are required to solve the practical question. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.